Josh Ken Rose anointed. The fiesta's popping and all fingers pointed. Rehab bottles got the whole crowd jointed. Checking what eyes can't be sweating no why. I can't be living word fly, keep the gleam in your eye. Con mucho drum roll on time, let the horn blow. Gas to the pedal like metal at a corn show. The rhyme rocker with a shitload of placa. Grab the mic and freak the rhythm till there's no more bala. Esto mi palabra, pero booze and ha-ha. That includes all who goes sissy la la. So do the cha-cha, who can call me Papa. We're okay for action, hunt until mañana. Down for hi-hat crash and whiplash. City night, bright light and herb stash.
¿Qué ondas, muchacho? Arriba las manos, gabacho moreno, penetra tu barrio. Lazy New rolas de rock, back frente. That's again, esto pa' la gente. Like chanclazos, deep like fregadazos. Still got the coke and rum and flex the brazos. Then I hit you from a different angle. Lake sweep, cheap shot, bird shit, straight cop. Soy el twin, pistolero, guerrero, don't be afraid of that. A matter of fact, I got like 10,000 maniacs in the crowd on a very good night. But keep it hype for a fraction of that. To get the fatty like that. Tronica en el aire, todos quieren baile. Plus my sick Latin style, Kyle, trouble as they come. I can feel the drum, don't know the word, but you can hum. Oye muñeca, ya mueve la cadera sobre el ritmo y las trompetas. To the beat, kick hard como escopeta. Vatos on the prowl for the hoochie looking fresca. All you delincuentes, venga para enfrente. Hazte para atrás si tú eres muy decente. Cause I'm chueco, bent, contact the hierba. Lo que será, será cuando lo vuelva.
Get your eyes burn, head turn. Pupils tight, back stiff and your neck hurt. And then you exert, check the vibe. Who got more freaky than I survived, down to Hura, trying to shoot I. So I mueva smooth, creep and crawl. They got another batch, let it thaw and lay shaw. Won't take fall, this here is when to take off. Trick, take a flick of the click here to face y'all.
Out in the desert, there's a soldier lying dead. Vultures pecking the eyes out of his head. Another day that could have been me there instead. Nobody loves me here. Nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. You hit the booby trap and you're in pieces. With every bullet your risk increases. Old Alibaba, he's a different species. Nobody loves me here. Nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. I'm dead meat to my Humvee Frankenstein. I hit the roadblock somehow, I never hit the mine. The dice are rolling like the luckiest time. And Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. I get home, if I can live through today. Before I came out here, I never used to pray. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Well, Dad's in a bad mood, Dad's got the blues. It's someone else's mess that I didn't choose. At least we're winning on the Fox Evening News. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. Don't patrol went out and didn't come back. Up the wire of like I told you, Mac. But then we shovel him into you into a sack. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. Who's that stranger walking in my dreams? Who's that stranger cast a shadow across my heart? Who's that stranger I dare speak his name? Must be old death a walking, must be old death a walking. Dad's gonna kill me. 7 muzzle monkeys standing in a row, standing waiting for that sandbox to blow, setting targets in the Wild West show. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me.